Are perfumes medicine? Maybe. Looking at the past often helps us understand today. So let's look at the historical use of aromatic plants. Aromatic plants and plant oils have been used for millennia throughout much of the world. They were used not only for medical or therapeutic purposes, but also for perfumes, cosmetics, and culinary purposes. Evidence of distillation in the ancient Indus Valley civilization dates back to over 4,000 years, although distillation as we know it with the use of a cooling coil would not even be possible until the 11th century BCE. While there is historical evidence of rudimentary distillers and other methods of extracting essential oils, it's important to keep in mind that writers may not have necessarily been referring to essential oils for medicinal purposes, but instead may have been referring to plant extracts or herbs. Evidence of the use of plants rich in essential oils have been found in ancient cultures in a wide variety of regions, including ancient Egypt, India, the Mesopotamian basin, Asia, and Australia. In ancient Egypt, aromatic plants rich in essential oils were used in religious rituals and embalming practices. Vials containing essences of frankincense, cedarwood, and myrrh have been found in tombs from the 14th century BCE. Although the cedarwood the Egyptians used was distilled by a crude distillation process, the other oils the Egyptians used were most likely infused oils. Infused oils are obtained by allowing plants or plant parts to soak in a fatty oil for a period of time to release the essential oils. The resulting oil does not have the same high concentration of the essential oil molecules that are obtained through a distillation process. In India, essential oils are currently used in Ayurvedic medicine and in spiritual practices. The history of early use of essential oils in this region was confirmed in 1975 when archaeologists discovered perfectly preserved distillation apparatus in the Indus Valley of neighboring Pakistan. This discovery suggested that the process of distilling essential oils could be more than 4,000 years old. In the Mesopotamian basin between the Tigris and the Euphrates rivers, Babylonian medical writers from around 2000 BCE contained references to garlic, onions, fennel, saffron, thyme, roses, juniper, and myrrh. Some of these plants contain essential oils that are used in present-day essential oil therapy. Asia has a long tradition of using herbal medicine and plant products. Traditional Chinese medicine in particular makes use of herbs and essential oils. The earliest record of plant product use in this culture dates back to the Yellow Emperor's Book of Internal Medicine, which was written around 2000 BCE. Aboriginal people in Australia have a long history of using tea tree, Melaleuca alternifolia, and eucalyptus preparation as treatments for respiratory infections and wounds. Avicenna made significant contributions to essential oil history. He wrote the Canon of Medicine, which listed 760 medicinal plants and drugs that could be derived from them, and he's also credited with inventing the refrigerator coil, a vital part necessary for improving the crude distillation process. This was a breakthrough for producing pure essential oils and aromatic waters. Do you recall where the cold coil is located in the distiller? It's in the area where the steam condenses to water as it carries the essential oils from the first vessel to the final vessel. Perfumes of Arabia were famous throughout Europe. It's believed that perfumers avoided the Black Death plague due to their constant contact with aromatic plants. As you have learned, plants have been a significant part of human life and culture since ancient times. Let's continue to look at more recent events that led to today's quest for essential oils.